Which disease is also known as Hansen's disease? Leprosy. Which is the basic unit of classification? Species. Malis domestica is the botanical name of which one of the following plants? Apple. Which order of mammals lays eggs and feeds milk to their young? Monotremata. Which tissue provides mechanical support and strength to young stems? Parenchyma. Which bone is also known as the shin bone or shank bone? Tibia. Wheat leaf rust is caused by? Fungus. Hormones are secreted by which system? Endocrine. Which plant reproduces through spores? Fern. Which organ is part of both the respiratory and digestive systems? Pharynx. Which of the following plants has compound leaves? Rose. Phosphorus makes up about %% of a person's body weight. One.